which is actually probably the core thought of the protagonist of Satya 2. I mean, like what kind of a motivation, everyone, anybody who does it will have a motive and objective to why he wants to do it. So this song, I think, kind of generalizes or that particular emotion present in many people who are dissatisfied with an existing system. And in connection to Satya 2, I think it bears the soul of the protagonist. So please watch it. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. It's my first time, so I don't know how it functions. But yeah. When the first time boss told me this story, narrated me the character, and a little bit knowledge what I have about cinema and this and that, I couldn't believe he can create such a powerful protagonist. And it took me 2-3 days to absorb that thing. Exactly, this character is so strong and he has offered me this part. It's just his, what do you call, trust and belief in me that he thought I can do justice to this character, because this character is very important and very close to his heart. And I hope I have done justice to this character. Thanks won't be enough, sir, but thank you.
That's really sweet. You want to say something more?
I want to thank each and everybody present here, all the producers, my co-stars, 2 lovely ladies, the rest of the cast, the superb actors we have, and of course, Mr. RGV. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Lot, Puneet. Thank you. I would like to, Puneet, you just stay back on the stage. I would like to invite. So now the time has come when media can interact with the stars. She's coming. And they can ask questions you might have, all the questions, any questions you might have. We'll give you time for the photo op. We'll give you time for photo op. Just after this. Acha, kar lijiye, ek kar lijiye.
In case any questions, just 1 second.
Give me the mic, I'll hold it.
Hi, Ram Verma ji.
Hello.
Yeah, I have got a question with Ram Gopal Verma.
Yeah.
Here, sir, to your right. Here. To your right, sir.
Yeah.
To your right. Verma ji, whenever the movies related to real incident, whenever we just talk about the real incident, the name comes Ram Gopal Verma. So what's that inspiration which just keeps you making up the movies related to these real events, real incidents?
Maybe I'm a real person. Anyway.
Or sir,
see, I think, see, the point is I was always, I was fascinated with, I consider myself like half a journalist because I'm interested in anything which is little out of the ordinary. And when something fascinates me to understand the psychological aspects of what can go behind such an incident. And I've always been like that since college, the kind of fiction I read, the kind of films I saw, and the kind of subject matters or even real life which interest me. So I think it's just a natural extension of that, I would say.
So Satya 2, while you just made Satya 1, so it was from that time itself that you will be making Satya 2 or how?
No, not really at all. So, see, the point is, Satya, like I said earlier, it was referenced from already existing characters in Underworld, the information I got from some cops and probably some middle agents who dealt with the Underworld at some point of time. Whereas Satya 2 is about a character I completely created out of my own imagination. Like I explained, if a guy who has this kind of an understanding, he will put it to apply it in a way to create a criminal organization, how it would function. So, like I said, there's no reference point. So this is something I only have been thinking about for the last 2 years, I would say.
रामू जी, मेरा सवाल आपसे है हेलो, मेरा सवाल आपसे है।
कहाँ? Yeah. Yeah.
हालांकि सीक्वल बनाने के लिए लोग 2-3 साल लेते हैं, आपने 10 साल से ज्यादा ले लिया, इसकी वजह?
एक पॉइंट ये है कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस नॉट ए सीक्वल, आई टोल्ड यू दैट. सेकंड पॉइंट इज द अंडरवर्ल्ड, इट हैड टू डाई. स्टोरी कॉन्सेप्ट जो है, it comes from where there is no underworld. So I had to wait for the underworld to be over first. So I was waiting for Abu Salam to get into jail. And I also wanted to be sure he won't come back. So that's when I made it.
और मेरा दूसरा सवाल ये है कि आपने एक रोमांटिक सॉन्ग है जो कश्मीर में शूट किया, कश्मीर में जाके क्यों शूट किया गया है?
आपको कैसे पता हो?
ये मुझे
How did you know about that?
I just came to know by some article written.
Oh, like that. No, that comes in a situation in the film. So what is your question about that? Why?
कश्मीर में जाके क्यों शूट किया गया?
That comes in the situation in the film. Yeah, because the lead actor, Satya, he goes to Kashmir, so I had no choice but to follow him.
Rajji, Ramji,
Yeah.
hello.
Yeah.
Is there any other character
Ramuji, just wait,
against
just
hero?
wait. The light.
Like normally we have seen underworld film.
One second. Yes, I think they want the light, I think. Yeah, lights.
Is there any character against hero? Normally we see like in
Excuse me, sir, just
Kurbani
wait
or
for a
other
second,
films. Anti against him. How will is there
I'm
any
sorry, my Sanjani question.
कोई character दूसरा है जो इनके against रहेगा to finish him off?
Of course, there are a lot of people, a lot of characters against him. Yeah.
पुलिस से होगा या
Yeah,
कोई
of
और?
course, police, yeah.
No, but the lights are.
To know what media said it. So if you didn't even read what has been written, so I can't say anything about it.
Ramu sir,
Yeah.
here,
Yeah.
from Urmila Matondkar in Rangila to Jia Khan in Nishabd, you have given Bollywood
Yeah.
lovely ladies. You have two lovely ladies in your movie as well. We'd like to know what special qualities you saw in them that you finally had to cast them in this movie.
The special qualities is that they're lovely. you yourself said that. I didn't say that.
Okay, one more question. Why don't we see a big production house, backing a brand like Satya too?
That's none of your concern.
Ramu sir, how do you feel when other filmmakers are copying your style?
See, first of all, I don't think anyone copies anybody's style. I think it's, all of us, without exception, every director will get inspired from someone or the other, whether it's me or X or Y. And then at a point of time, with experience and with your own sensibility, you keep on growing or diverting from that style. So I don't think anyone really copies anyone. I don't agree with that.
Ramu sir here.
Yeah.
Straight. Just one of my colleagues just asked about the